Hi friends, welcome to SD's Hub, a place where learning gets smarter and more exciting. If you've ever felt that studying is tough or boring, don't worry, we're here to make it simple and fun for you. From easy tutorials in math and physics to powerful productivity tips, motivation, and even amazing AI tools, we'll cover everything to help you learn better and faster. At SD's Hub, it's not just about exams, it's about growing your knowledge, confidence, and creativity every single day. So, hit that subscribe button and join our growing family of curious learners. Together, let's learn, create, and inspire. Welcome to SD's Hub.